Guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we'll walk through how to fill up an expression of interest for your Australia PR or permanent residence. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, um, I have opened Australia expression of interest page on skill select. So here they have specified how many, which categories you can submit an expression of interest is. Of course, I won't be submitting, but till that step, I can definitely walk you through. First of all, guys, for filing expression of interest, there is no fee. Okay. Now here on this page, they have described first the entire process where you submit your EOI, put all the information, submit in the system. That is where when you enter the pool, and if you meet the score criteria in the draw, you're going to get an invitation, and then you submit your visa application. Okay. So let's say you are ready to submit. So I click on submit an EOI, and you need to show some patience also sometimes. Sometimes you may need to show more patience. Perfect. So here you have to accept terms and condition. It's better to read and click on next. Now you need to have all the information about sample. You need to do as per the family name. So let's say there's an Indian citizen whose name is John Smith. He's applying his date of birth. Let's say he was born in 1998, May 1st. Country of birth. Let's say India. Country of passport. Let's say India. Citizen of country of passport. Yes. Any other citizenship? India does not allow dual nationality. Other have other current passport. I select no. Usual country of residence. I select India. Does the client have a partner? I select no because he is never married. I'll make another video where I would show about married couple. Next. Check the information correct. Next. Create account. Okay. So you need to create password, confirm password, 3 security questions and answer, complete captcha and go on next. So I'm going to do this and then I'm going to see you guys. Okay guys, so what happens like on that screen where I had shown you previously, where you set up your where you put your email address, password, confirm password and 3 security questions, then the system generates an EOI ID for you and it also emails you. Then on the next screen you need to log in, okay, using the password and EOI ID. Okay, remember EOI ID. Once you reach here, it's asking that which one you want to apply for. So of course, like based on your interest and eligibility. Okay. If you have any question, you can just go to the question mark and see what they are. Are there any family members the client would like to include in a future application? This question asks to anticipate the size of migration program as a whole. Client may include the following members in the visa application: spouse, de facto dependent child, and relative. So in this case, I select no, but if you have, definitely select yes. In which territory the client be interested in receiving a nomination from? I'll select any. Okay. Now, before you do that, first of all, I would recommend that you go through the individual states nominations, of course, based on your interest and your opportunities over there and all other factors like uh, is there any particular criteria? Because some state may want you to select them over here rather than just any. So this also you clarify, then proceed. Will client be prepared to live in a regional area? I select yes. Would the client be prepared to live outside an Austrian capital city? I select yes. Oh, I should select yes. Yeah, this of course increases the chances. But again, it's up to you. If you don't want to live in the regional area, it's always good to say no. Has the client undertaken an English language test in the last 36 months? I select yes. Name, so this is what they accept. Date, when this was taken, let's say test reference number. This you'll find in your scorecard. Wow, I'm selecting very high score. Has the client completed or is currently enrolled any study at secondary level and above? I select yes. So here you need to add your qualification. Okay. So this guy was born in 1998. So let's say at the age of 18 or 2016, he went to a college where he completed science BTech degree. Okay. So I'll say BTech in IT institution, New Delhi. This is just sample guys. College, country, India. Wow. First, 20. Yeah. Austrian study guide. Does the client meet the Austrian study requirement for skilled migration? I select yes. Does the client receive a postgraduate specialist qualification? I select no. Okay, let me put it no. That's fine. So, I mean, you do it as per your case. Credential committee language, I select no. Nominated occupation. You can put and just a code. Does the client have a suitable skill assessment? I select yes. So for analyst program, it's going to be Australian Computer Society, ACS. Yeah. Finally, date of skill assessment. Just set this. Reference number, sample guys. Next. Employment. Client employment history. To be eligible to claim point-to-point test, there are certain requirements required to a specific visa. Okay, that's fine. Provision in Australia in last 48 months, I select no. Employment history past tense. So let's say this guy got graduated in 2020 and since then he's working. I'm just putting sample. Idea. Is the employment nominated occupation? Yes. Date from to date from on edit. This I can remove. If your current is still leave the date to field blank. Yeah, that's what I was. Let's say you're still employed here, so leave this to blank. This means you are still working there. So as per your case, you put English requirements. You here need to confirm. The information in this EOI, yes, complete. So to read everything and then go to next. This is the review page. Here you have to review everything and then you need to go next to submit. Of course, I'm not going to do that because I don't want to create a dummy profile, but this is how it works. And once it is completed, once it goes for, like, you get an invitation to apply, that is where you include documents and all. So that is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.